My name is Tracy Collingridge with Momentum Realty. Welcome to beautiful Loreto Bay, Mexico, and welcome to my new favorite home. This home, as you can see, it's right on the beach, right on the Sea of Cortez. It's 5 bedrooms, all with en-suites. On this level, just to my left, we've got a golf cart garage, a very large walk-in pantry, a guest bedroom. We've got another either guest bedroom, art studio, flex space. And then we've got so much to see. You don't want to listen to me. Let's go take a look inside. It's so exciting. Check out this kitchen. Whether you're a in-home chef or you like to bring a chef in to cook into your home, this kitchen has all the appliances you ever could use, need. We've got this beautiful granite countertop, gorgeous blue stove and back tile accents. We've got a matching granite inlay in your breakfast nook. I love these white porcelain tiles with the wood inlay. Behind or in front of me is access into the garage and the pantry. We also have a dumbwaiter, so you can send all your stuff upstairs for your outdoor entertaining. You've got a great little bar with your own ice machine. And then again, you've got this stunning view. The doors all open, nice dining area. And let's move on to the outside so you can see all the great stuff that we have outside. Let's go check it out. Imagine yourself at night sitting around this outdoor fire pit, listening to the Sea of Cortez, or having a nice jacuzzi, which is located just off one of the master bedrooms. You've also got, right off the kitchen area, your outdoor kitchen barbecue. A really great thing about the location of this home on the beach is you have a protected area between your home and the beach, so it creates a lot of privacy. And you've got your own little path right directly to the beach. Let's go check out the master bedroom, or one of the master bedrooms. Imagine waking up every morning to that view. And let me remind you, this is a 360-degree video. You control what you see. So you can swipe left, right, up, or down, and you can see, you control what you're looking at. Follow me and let's go see the master ensuite. Look at this beautiful bathroom. You've got his sink, her sink. You've got the makeup vanity area, nice big shower, your toilet room, and a nice big walk-in closet. Everything you need is in this bathroom, and you know what? We've got more of them. Let's go take a look upstairs. Now, if you thought the view downstairs was spectacular, check out this view. We've got this beautiful outdoor living area and another gas fireplace, fire pit. There's your dumbwaiter. Spectacular view. From here, we can see Nopalo Rock, Carmen Island, we've got Coronado Island, and just not too far off in the distance, we have our international airport. Now, if you've never been to Loreto before, we have lots of airline options, but 2 new very exciting flights are with American Airlines, and we have direct flights 4 days a week from Phoenix and 1 day a week from Dallas. It's very exciting, and it's opening up a whole new area of travelers to come here, and our undiscovered Loretto is being discovered. So don't wait too long. If you're thinking of coming, hurry up. Let's go check out the second master bedroom. It's just as spectacular, or maybe even more spectacular than the first one we saw. Let's go check it out. What I love about this master bedroom is if you're a grandparent, you've got another fabulous little bedroom that the grandkids are gonna love adjoining this room, or if you're a young family, you can have your kids not too far away from you. And again, from here, you get to enjoy this incredible view, the sound of the Sea of Cortez, and another spectacular ensuite. Let's go check out the kids' room. Follow me. Now, if you're grandparents and you have your grandkids, they will want to come and visit you all the time. What a fun bedroom. I love it. Love all the colors, the bunk beds. Your grandkids are gonna love this room. And the bathroom. Let's go check out the ensuite. Check out this fun bathroom for the grandkids. We've got that gorgeous chandelier, some bathtub toys, and just some beautiful inlay detail that you'll notice in all the bathrooms. We have one last surprise. We're going to go up one more level. Let's go upstairs. Check out, I know every time we go up a floor, the view gets a little bit bigger, and if you want to call it better. But check this out. You've got the mountains, you've got the rooftops of the homes in Loretto Bay, you've got a bigger view of the sea and the beach, and you can see all the cool activities you can do right outside your back door, whether it's kiting, paddle boarding, kayaking, swimming, beachcombing, fishing. There's so much to do here. I love it. I know you'll love it too. If you've not been here before, you do need to add this to your bucket list. Anyhow, thank you for watching us today and discovering my new favorite Loretto Bay home, Los Sueños. It's a home of dreams, and this home could be your dream home as well. Again, I'm Tracy Collingridge with Momentum Realty. Please, if you're not already following us, follow us on our social media, Facebook, Instagram. For more information on this stunning home, please go to buyloretto.com, and the home, this is Los Sueños. And thank you for watching us to the end. Have a great day. We'll see you again.